Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use jump cut and CapCut. A jump cut is a video editing technique that creates a noticeable transition between two cuts, often used to skip over unnecessary footage or to highlight key moments. You can easily create a jump cut in CapCut by trimming and cutting parts of your video to make it look seamless but still sharp and intentional. Now, let's launch the CapCut on your device. Tap on New Project and choose the video you want to edit from your gallery, then tap Add. Move the white bar in the timeline to the beginning of the part you want to cut out. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to highlight it, and then tap the split at the bottom of the screen. Now move the white bar to the end of the section you want to remove, and tap split again. The unwanted part of the video is now separated from the main clip. After splitting the video, tap on the part of the clip you want to remove. Tap the delete button to remove the unwanted section. This will create a jump from one part of the video to another, forming a jump cut. Now tap the play button to preview the jump cut and make sure it's working as intended. Once you're happy with the jump cut, tap export in the top right corner of the screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.